You're watching NewsNet India. Narada sting case. Supreme Court questions High Court order. CM Mamata Banerjee filed petition. The Supreme Court today delivered its verdict on the petition of West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee and Law Minister Malay Ghatak. Facilities were announced to taxpayer that tax on the amount received for corona treatment has exempted. In the mid of COVID epidemic, the government on Friday announced a big relief to taxpayers. Under this, it has been decided to give tax exemption to the employees on the amount received from the employer or anyone else for the treatment of COVID-19. Along with this, the compensation amount received from the employer or anyone else to his family on the death of the employee due to COVID infection will also be exempted from tax. India will now share the technology of CoWIN app with its allies. India will now share the technology of its own developed CoWIN app with its partner countries. Across the world, the app has been very successful across the country. Director Sivan dies of heart attack. Mumbai, National Award-winning cinematographer and director Sivan has said goodbye to this world. Sivan died on Thursday due to cardiac arrest. Sivan breathed his last at the age of 89 at his home in Thiruvananthapuram. According to media reports, Sivan was Kerala's first press photographer. On the work front, he directed the 1991 film Abhiyam, which won the National Award for Best Children's Film. The Karnataka High Court has given a big relief to the MD of Twitter India. The police can virtually interrogate. The Karnataka High Court has given a big relief to Manish Maheshwari, MD of Twitter India. The High Court has directed not to take any coercive action against the MD of Twitter India. The High Court said if the police wants to interrogate him, then they will have to be interrogated through video conferencing. The court has given this decision on Manish's petition. 2 days ago, Loni Police Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh has sent a second notice to MD of Twitter India. Your PAN card will be invalid after June 30. Not many days are left for the last date to link PAN with Aadhaar card, that is June 30. Once the last date will over, you will not get a chance again. In this situation, this is the last chance to link Aadhaar with PAN card. If it is not, your PAN card will get invalid. High Court of MP gets 6 new judges. 6 new judges were appointed to Madhya Pradesh High Court on Friday, said by Ministry of Law. An additional judge was also appointed to Guwahati High Court, a separate notification issued by the Department of Justice. All the 6 elevated as judge are from the judicial services.